Reality check, man, from your device. You know, it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, I am here to speak on the Cavalier issue. When the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the man who held the highest office, wear our national jersey, go into the national stadium and cheer for a foreign team against a local team. When we tell you, say Andrew Holness a roast breadfruit, and Andrew Holness not have Jamaican people at heart, this was a confirmation and a splitting example of what we are talking about. Now, my viewers and subscribers, we are here to teach today. Alright, this is the thing there. Lionel Messi is on his way onto retirement. Messi glorious days done. And 5 or 6 years ago. No disrespect to the baller. In Jamaica, would have said Messi wash up. That's where he's heading into retirement. But the Jamaica government blighted the track at the National Stadium for a short-term game. It is telling me that our Prime Minister is lacking of inspiration. The Prime Minister lack inspiration. The Prime Minister lack vision. And because of that, he's leading Jamaica down the path of destruction. You know, hear what I just say? The Prime Minister of Jamaica downgrade the track at the National Stadium, where our track at the National Stadium now move from level 1 to level 2. What that does, we can't host no international track and field meet. So for short-term gain, the government blighted for we athletes them to run among some international athletes if a game should request and schedule to held at the National Stadium. It cannot happen because we are no longer at a level 1, we are at a level 2. So your Prime Minister, just for short-term game, allow Babsy Grange them to make our track move from level 1 to 2. Short-term memory, you know, and blighted the future of the track and the future of a lot of our athletes. But I have 2 clips that I want to show. I want to show the clip when Messi score a goal, because I stand to be corrected. I am a professional footballer and I am also a professional coach. The goal when Messi score is an offside goal. I stand to be correct. I want you to take a look at the advancing defender in the yellow boots. He is not in the play. But look at Lionel Messi and the last man before the passer on the true pass to Messi. Messi already advanced before the ball leave him foot. Messi advanced. If it even an inch or an ear advance beyond the last man, it is an offside. So it take the great Lionel Messi over time to score an offside goal for young Cavalier. Cavalier, me proud of you, brother. Me proud of you, me stand with you, me root for you, me cheer for you, brother, because I am a patriot to Jamaica. So we are going to play the clip now when the Prime Minister stand in the National Stadium, have on our national uniform, and cheer for a foreign opponent. Take it away. That's the Prime Minister. That's the Prime Minister. That's the Jamaican Prime Minister. Stand up and cheering on a foreign power. Andrew Holness that. Andrew Holness that. Stand up and cheering on a foreign opponent against young Cavalier. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. One could say the Prime Minister is a groupie and a reactive Prime Minister. That's how the man behave. Or you can stand up in the National Stadium and root on for a foreign opponent over a Jamaican team in the Jamaican jersey in the National Stadium. The Prime Minister is a groupie and a reactive Prime Minister. That's what he is. That is your Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. I have never witnessed this in my entire life, where a Prime Minister of a country go inside them National Stadium and cheer for the opponent against young Cavalier. The Prime Minister who held the highest office of the land, his duty is to make sure that every Jamaican live to his or her full potential. At all times, he look out in the best interest of the Jamaican people. Andrew only show up in the National Stadium, in the national colors, and cheer on Lionel Messi over young Cavalier. I want you to tell me if this man really care about the Jamaican people. But anyway, we play the goal now because Aromatic, they tell you say that goal here, a half-side goal. I stand to be corrected. Anyway, take it away.
Match now, Morales. Messi makes the run. It's fed through. It's Lionel Messi.
You look good enough. Before the distributor pass the ball game, it is in fast time. But look, in break, before the distributor make the true pass game. So it simply means Messi was well advanced ahead of the last man.
Messi makes the run. It's fed through.
You know, replay it and rewind it and go back but look again.
The king of Kingston.
We are ahead of the last man.
Sold out National Stadium crowd. A moment to Morales. Messi makes the run. It's fed through. It's Lionel Messi. The king of Kingston. He gives this sold-out National Stadium crowd a moment to remember. An ice.
He take the great Messi to score a controversial goal, an offside goal to me, against young Cavalier, who stand their own and put on an excellent showing inside of the National Stadium. But on my screen is a photo. I want to know if you look at the photo and see the ball right there, so you know, at the distributor foot, you know. The ball is right there, the ball not released yet. If you watch the player in the yellow boots that is advanced, it look like he's playing Messi on side. But no, he's not. He's away ahead of Messi. The two that you have to watch is the last man and Messi. You have to watch the last man and Messi. The last man with the green knee band around him knee and Messi. So remember, you know, the distributor or the passer, the ball still there in foot. Lionel Messi break already. Look pan where Messi and there. And look pan where Messi head there. And look pan where Messi knee there. If Messi no advance where before the ball was distributed to him. Let me say it again. I want you to take a look at Lionel Messi, the position that he's in, and I want you to look on the last man and tell me which one of them is more advanced, if it is Messi or the Cavalier player. Now, the distributor, the ball is still at his foot. So him not release the true pass as yet. So it is telling you that Messi is in an offside. If it is even a whisker, him have to be in an offside. And don't watch this Cavalier player in the yellow boots. Him not in the picture. Him well advanced. But it's the direction or the angle of the camera make it look like say him a player Messi onside. But he's not playing Messi onside. He's not in the picture. Messi was well advanced before the true pass make. See the ball here, man, foot there. The true pass no make it. So this is an offside goal to me. I stand to be corrected. But this is what the entire Jamaica, you have to say, who sell out Cavalier. Because most of Jamaican them, you know, a boat liquor them, you know, both is slave them, you know. You understand? Want to be in the picture, want to be a part of it, want to be seen or they want to be heard. You don't have no Marcus Garvey Jamaican again. You know. You don't have no Malcolm X Jamaican again. You know. You don't have no Mandela Jamaican again. You know. And some wimp and punk and some jellybox. You know. You have in that. You know. We're going to the national stadium. You know, and sell out Cavalier. You know. Sell out Cavalier for rice and peas. You know. And that them doing at the national stadium. You know. Including the Prime Minister. You know. The greatest Messi as you know call. It takes stoppage time and a controversial goal for him to score on Cavalier. Where you see the Prime Minister of Jamaica stand up and cheer on Lionel Messi. But as I stated, Jamaica, Messi is on his way to retirement. The government of Jamaica blighted the track at the National Stadium by painting the stadium in the color there, that Jamaica color there, but them say them paint the stadium in. Only for short-term gain. Jamaica, only for short-term gain. The Prime Minister of Jamaica is lacking inspiration. Babsy Granger, Andrew Holness them downgrade the track at the National Stadium by painting it into the color there to bring or receive Miami FC with Messi to come play in a Jamaica, but a player who is on his way to retirement, the Prime Minister of Jamaica and Babsy Grange them blighted the track of the National Stadium. So that track now is not at a level 1 status anymore. It is at a level 2. So the Jamaican track at the National Stadium can't hold no international meet again. Short-term gain, Andrew Holness and Babsy Grange them. Short-term gain. The man lack inspiration. And what they say, leadership without vision can lead to lack of direction and poor performance and ultimate failure. Leadership without vision can lead to lack of direction, poor performance, and ultimate failure. The Jamaica Labour Party and the Jamaican people is going through ultimate failure under Andrew Holness leadership. The man lack vision, have no inspiration. Just think about that, my viewers and subscribers. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, cheer on Lionel Messi against Cavalier in the Jamaican jersey. The Prime Minister of Jamaica cheer on Lionel Messi and Miami FC over Cavalier while he was sporting a Jamaica jersey. Uno think about that. Funo Prime Minister cheer on a foreign team against young Cavalier in the Jamaican jersey. The Prime Minister in this case must stay neutral. The Prime Minister of Jamaica in this case, where you have Miami FC playing young Cavalier, a Jamaica team, the Prime Minister have to stay neutral. What do I mean when I say neutral? Not to help or support either team. Baboon labor right, a uno me attack. Nano sense labor right, a uno me attack. Termite nyamot brain labor right, a uno me attack. Uno go look up the definition of neutral and see what that mean. Go look up the definition of neutral and see what that mean. Not helping or supporting either team. The Prime Minister have to stay neutral. The Prime Minister can't show no scent or no sign of biasness where this is concerned. In the National Stadium on our side, a young Cavalier team looking for the support of the Jamaican people and the Prime Minister and the people of Jamaica and the Prime Minister who's supposed to lead by example. Let down Cavalier and the people of Jamaica. The great Lionel Messi. It takes him stoppage time to score a controversial goal against Cavalier. You know what I just say? The great Lionel Messi. It takes him stoppage time when the game should have blown off to score a goal against Cavalier. Now, when me say Messi is on the verge of retirement, I know the Messi like Messi before when Messi in peak of form. Because when Messi in peak of form, Messi wouldn't there at Miami right now. Him wouldn't there so. Messi them would have there Europe, Barcelona, them places. At this so them man they would have there. So we get him in latter days when him steam boil down and he's on his way to retirement. So what we do here in Jamaica, because our leaders lack vision, a player who is on his way to retirement, we mess up the track at the National Stadium to accommodate Miami FC and blighted the future of the track at the National Stadium. Now the track is no longer a level 1. It is now a level 2. So that track can't host no international meet right now. That is how we are for the Prime Minister and Babsy Grangem is, you know. A man who is almost in retirement. For the Jamaica Labour Party and Babsy Grangem to receive short-term gain, they mess up a long-term benefit with the track at the National Stadium. How dumb and stupid and dunce them people are, brother. No vision. And when a leader don't have no vision, you will lead your people into destruction. Your people will suffer. Or you mess up the future for something that is almost expired. Or you are going to mess up the track. Make the track remove from level 1 to 2 for a Messi who is almost in retirement. You're messing up the future for the present. You're messing up the future for short term. And that's how I think in Jamaica. It is a national disgrace to the people of Jamaica. It is a national disgrace to the people who live in the diaspora. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Michael Holness, standing at the National Stadium and cheer on a foreign team, which is Miami FC and Lionel Messi, when young Cavalier inside the National Stadium and need the entire Jamaican support. Then turn them back on Cavalier. Cavalier own their own, play excellent. I have to give them all the praise. I have to give them all the props because they make the rest of us, when they cheer for them, stand proud. Just think about that. Your prime minister cheer against his team. I want you to tell me where in the world, in the history of sports, where you ever see a prime minister go inside his national stadium and a team from Jamaica is playing, whether it's a club team or a national team, and support the opponent and stand up and cheer on when Lionel Messi score a goal. In this case, the prime minister have to stay neutral, showing that he is not helping or supporting anyone in this cause. And the best thing the prime minister should have done is either meet Messi before the game start or then meet Messi after the game finish. But it is a national disgrace for the prime minister of Jamaica to stand in the national stadium wearing the national jersey and cheering for a foreign opponent and cheer Lionel Messi when he score a goal. And young Cavalier, who do an excellent job on that night, I know the youth them must feel disappointed in the Jamaican crowd and when they see the clip of this prime minister. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow the movement over YouTube. We not do tabloid and we not do gossip. We not do propaganda. And we not deal with fake news. We shoot bullseye. And anytime we come, is to educate, is to uplift, and is to inspire my people. Because my duty, is to remove the mental slavery from out of them cranium. Alright, this is the thing there. We continue to tell them us that the signature word, it's never changed around here. It simply means art of love. Until then, Unanmatic will chat again. Peace. The man is out.